Discover this riverfront farm in Virginia, sitting on 72 plus acres with a fully renovated residence. The property combines modern updates with timeless charm, sits on rolling pastures and wooded acres. The renovated home features oak hardwood floors, a 2 years old roof, and updated electrical and plumbing. Additional features include multiple barns and outbuildings, a two-car detached garage, and beautiful open land perfect for farming, livestock, or recreation. With natural spring water piped to the property and a fully unfinished basement, this property offers endless possibilities. Please check out video description to connect with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.